Hello everyone, and welcome to a video on installing Rogic on your Windows computer. So, the first step you need to do is go to the link in the description. This link is eng.roborobo.co.kr/downloads/127. And once you go here, this is the link for you to download your program. And so all we have to do is click on this little tiny arrow down here and select Rogic 3.4.8.2.zip. And so I'll go ahead and give that a click, and you can see down in the bottom we have my download running. Once you have Rogic downloaded, you can go to your downloads folder. And so here I have my downloads folder under my desktop, and we can see that there's a little zipper next to the Rogic 3.4.8.2. And this means we have to extract everything. And you can see here at the top there's a big red button that says Extract Compressed Folder Tools. So we'll click on that and say Extract All and extract it. From here it'll take a little second for Rogic to install. We can then open up this new file, and if we want to open up Rogic, we can click on this little logo right here. As always, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you have any questions, please reach out to the link on the screen.